today, my brothers and sisters, as Father Francisco Antonio Estepa, SVD, accept this responsibility as the President of the University of San Carlos. Rather, we are praying for endurance, relying on God's power. Father Francisco Antonio, as you accept the position as President, may you glorify God and give praise to Him.
Our determination to fortify our ties with the local community remains steadfast. Through outreach programs and service initiatives led by our faculty and students, we shall deepen our connections and enhance the relevance of our academic offerings through experiential learning. I wish to thank God who has showered me with His blessings over the years. May my service at the University of San Carlos bear witness to the world. Let us embark on this journey with hearts full of hope, minds eager for discovery, and hands ready to continue the green and gold legacy that shines ever brighter. May our collective efforts guide us towards a future that embodies the very essence of the University of San Carlos.
As the University of San Carlos begins a new era of leadership, we turn to God to be our guide and companion.